Quick question. Have you ever watched an English movie, read every word perfectly in your head, and then the actor opens their mouth and says something that sounds nothing like what you learned?
Like, you studied, I am going to call you later, and what you actually hear is, I'm gonna call you later. And you think, wait, is that even the same sentence?
It is, and today we're breaking the silence on something millions of English learners feel but nobody explains properly.
Native speakers are not speaking bad English when they say gonna, wanna, gotta, kinda, lemme, gimme. This is real, normal, everyday spoken English. And by the end of this video, you'll understand it, recognize it instantly, and even use it naturally if you want to.
So if you've ever felt embarrassed because you didn't understand a simple sentence just because of how it was said, this episode is for you.
Let's get into it.
Okay, let's start with the big picture. Why did these contractions even exist?
It comes down to one thing: speed and rhythm. English, when spoken naturally, has a rhythm where some words get stressed and important, and other words get squashed down and quick. Words like to, have, and want to are usually unstressed, so over time in casual speech, they got shortened.
It's not laziness, it's actually a pattern, and once you learn the pattern, you can predict it.
Let's go through the big ones, one at a time. First, gonna.
Gonna replaces going to, specifically when going to means future plans or intentions, not when going to literally means moving toward a place.
So, I'm gonna eat dinner soon, that's a plan, so gonna works.
But I'm going to the store. Here, going to means physically walking or driving somewhere. Native speakers generally do not shorten this one to gonna the store. That would sound strange.
That's such an important distinction. So gonna is for future plans, not physical movement.
Exactly. Next, wanna.
Wanna replaces want to. Simple as that. I want to go home becomes I wanna go home.
And it works the same in questions. Do you want to come becomes wanna come or you wanna come?
Next, gotta.
Gotta replaces got to or have got to, and it expresses obligation or necessity. I have got to go becomes I gotta go.
This one is so common in everyday speech. I gotta finish this. We gotta leave soon. You gotta try this.
Next, kinda and sorta.
These replace kind of and sort of, and they're used to soften a statement, to make it less direct. I'm kinda tired sounds softer than I'm tired.
It's almost like a verbal shrug. Kinda adds a feeling of a little bit, not totally sure, not a big deal.
Now, two that are a little different because they involve a request: lemme and gimme.
Lemme replaces let me. Let me see that becomes let me see that. And gimme replaces give me. Give me a second becomes give me a second.
Both of these are very casual. You'd use them with friends, family, close coworkers, not really in a formal email or a job interview.
Good point, and that's actually a really important rule for all of these words. They belong in casual spoken English, texting friends, casual conversations, movies, song lyrics, podcasts like this one.
But in formal writing, emails, essays, presentations, you'd write out the full forms. I am going to, I want to, I have to.
So the real skill here isn't just understanding these words, it's knowing when they're appropriate.
Let's do a quick role play to show natural usage. Casual conversation between friends.
Hey, you want to grab lunch later? I'm kinda hungry already.
Yeah, give me like 10 minutes. I gotta finish this email first.
No worries. I'm gonna head to that new place down the street. Let me know if you want anything specific.
Sounds good. I'll text you when I'm done.
Notice that entire exchange used 5 of our 6 words, and it sounded completely natural. Nothing was wrong about it.
If you wrote that exact conversation in full forms, do you want to grab lunch? I am kind of hungry. Give me 10 minutes. I have got to finish. I am going to head. It would sound stiff, almost robotic.
And that's the key insight for today. These shortened forms aren't a lower level of English, they're the natural form of casual spoken English. The full forms are actually more for writing and formal speech.
Time for a listening challenge. We'll say 5 sentences using today's words at natural speed. Try to write down what you think the full form would be.
Sentence 1. I'm gonna head out soon.
Sentence 2. You want to come with us?
Sentence 3. I gotta call my mom back.
Sentence 4. It's kinda late, isn't it?
Sentence 5. Let me grab my jacket, then give me a minute.
Okay, let's check the answers. Sentence 1. I am going to head out soon. Sentence 2. Do you want to come with us?
Sentence 3. I have got to call my mom back. Sentence 4. It's kind of late, isn't it?
And sentence 5. Let me grab my jacket, then give me a minute.
If you got most of those, fantastic. That means your ear is already adjusting to natural spoken rhythm. And that's exactly the skill that helps with movies, podcasts, and real conversations.
Section 6. Summary and outro. Let's recap today's big ideas.
Big idea 1. Gonna, wanna, gotta, kinda, lemme, and gimme are not incorrect English. They're the natural form of casual spoken English.
Big idea 2. Gonna is for future plans, not physical movement. I'm going to eat, yes. I'm going to the store, no.
Big idea 3. These words belong in casual speech and informal writing, not formal emails, essays, or presentations.
Big idea 4. The pronunciation pattern is consistent. Stress the first part, shrink the second.
Big idea 5. Training your ear to recognize these forms instantly will massively improve your listening comprehension for real-life English, movies, music, podcasts, conversations.
Your challenge this week? Next time you watch a show or listen to a song in English, try to catch one of these words, just one, and write the full form in the comments below.
We'll be reading and replying, so don't be shy.
If this episode helped you understand native speakers a little better, hit that like button. It really helps this video reach more learners.
Subscribe so you never miss an episode. We're here every single day.
And share this with a friend who's ever felt confused watching English movies without subtitles.
Thanks so much for spending this time with us in your English room.
Keep listening, keep noticing. You're closer than you think.
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.